equal to Vy. Then dx will become V dy plus y dv. Now, I will just substitute this value into the differential equation.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it.
What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Math-maticTV. So today is another tutorial day. So now I'm going to continue our topic about the differential equations. And I will discuss the homogeneous equations. So if all of the terms of a polynomial functions are of the same degree, we can call that homogeneous polynomials. So what you need to do is, if the problem is the differential equation is a homogeneous equation, just set x equal to vy or y equal to vx. Then if you set x equal to vy, then dx will become v dy plus y dv. And if you set y equal to vx, therefore dy will become v dx plus x dv. Alright, let's try some problem. So for the problem number 1, I have 3x squared y 3x minus 2x cubed minus y cubed dy equal to 0. So notice that this differential equation has the same degree. So we can call this a homogeneous equation. Now, since in the left side portion is look simple, I will set x equal to vy. Then dx will become v dy plus y dv. Now, I will just substitute this value into the differential equation. So this will become 3 times vy squared. So this will become v squared and y cubed. Since x, so this will become v squared y squared times y. So this will become y cubed and dx then dx or times dx, which is v dy plus y dv, then minus 2x cubed. So this will become 2 v cubed y cubed minus y cubed, then multiply by dy equal to 0. So let's FOIL this. So or distribute the 3v squared y cubed times v dy. So this will become 3v cubed y cubed. Oops, I'm sorry. There is no dx here because dx is equal to v dy plus y dv. So hence this will become dy then plus 3v squared y raised to the 4th power then dv minus 2v cubed y cubed then multiply by dy minus y cubed dy equal to 0. Now, let's combine all the dy and dv. Hence, this will become 3v cubed y cubed dy minus 2v cubed y cubed dy minus y cubed dy, then plus 3v squared y raised to 4 dv, then equal to 0. So this will become, I will factor out the y cube, or we can combine this 3v cube y cube minus 2v cube y cube. So this will become this will become v cube y cube, since 2 will be cancelled. So this will become v cube y cube. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So this will become v cube y cube only. Then minus y cube dy plus 3v squared y raised to 4 dv equal to 0. So this is quite longer. Now I will just factor out the y cube. So this will become y cube times v cube minus 1 dy plus v cube minus 1. Oh, there's a negative here, so this will become, this should become positive. So negative times negative is positive. So y cube is positive. So hence this will become plus, and this will become plus. Then plus 3v squared y raised to 4 dv equal to 0. Now notice that this differential equation is already separable. Hence this will become integral of y cube, y cube dy over y fourth, then plus integral of v squared dv over v cube plus 1 equal to 0. And this is very easy to integrate, because this will be equal to, since y cube will be cancelled, this will become dy over y, hence that will become ln. So therefore this will become equal to ln of y plus if we're going to set u equal to v cube plus 1, so du will become 3v squared, and this will be cancelled, and this will be ends in log also. So this is equal to ln of v cube plus 1, then equal to c. Hence our final answer will be ln of y times v cube plus 1 equal to ln c. So using a law of logarithm, and this will be end in x cube plus y cube equal to c y squared in a simplified form. This is also correct. That of this is correct, but we can simplify this into x cube plus y cube equal to cy squared, because most of the teacher in differential equation prefer that the solution or the final answer is in simplified form. Alright, let's proceed to the problem number 2. So, x minus y dx plus 3x plus y dy equal to 0. So actually guys, I can set this y equal to vx, but to be easy, because this one is simple, I will just set x equal to vy. So x equal to vy and dx will become v dy plus x dv. So since x equal to vy, this will become vy minus y times dx, which is v dy plus x dv, then plus 3x, which is vy, then plus y times dy equal to 0. Now I will just distribute this. So this will become v squared y dy plus, oops, there's x here, this is y, so plus vy squared dv minus vy dy plus, it's negative, so minus y squared dv, then plus 3vy plus y. I'll just distribute the dy plus y dy equal to 0. Now I will separate all the dy and the dv. So this will become v squared y dy minus vy dy, then plus 3vy dy plus y dy, then all the dv, which is plus vy squared dv minus y squared dv equal to 0, of course. Hence vy will be cancelled and this will become 2vy. So this already cancelled and this will become positive 2, since negative vy minus 3vy is positive 2vy. And I will factor out the y dy. So this will become v squared plus 2v plus 1 times y dy, then plus, I will factor out dy squared, so this will become y squared dv times v minus 1 equal to 0. And notice that this differential equation is already separable. Hence, this will become integral of y dy over y squared plus integral of v minus 1 dv over v squared plus 2v plus 1. V minus 1 equal to 0. So if I'm going to set, nope, we can use this substitution here, but I guess we can factor out the denominator, so this will become, I don't think so if this is really positive, v minus 1, oops, my bad, this should be a positive, so this is positive and this positive, so we can easily integrate this one because this is equal to because this is equal to integral of dy over y plus integral of v plus 1 dv over, this is a perfect square, so this is equal to v plus 1 squared, then equal to 0. Hence, this is equal to integral of dy over y plus integral of dv over v plus 1 equal to 0, since this will be cancelled. Now, this is very easy to integrate because obviously this is equal to ln y plus ln of v plus 1. But what is the value of v? V is equal to x over y. This is equal to ln c. So this will become ln y plus ln of v, which is x over y, then plus 1 equal to ln of c. So hence, the general solution will be equal to ln of y plus ln of x over y plus 1 equal to ln c. Alright, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And please share your thoughts about it by commenting below. And if you learned something today, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see the other videos, linked in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Stay tuned and see you on the next video. Thanks and God bless.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong.